Here's the 60-second script. Did you know that at high frequencies, current doesn't flow through an entire conductor? It crowds toward the surface? That's the skin effect, and ignoring it can wreck your RF design. The skin effect depth calculator tells you exactly how deep current penetrates into a conductor at any frequency. Just enter your operating frequency, select your conductor material, copper, aluminum, silver, whatever you're working with, and hit calculate. For example, copper at 1 megahertz gives you a skin depth of about 66 micrometers. Bump that to 1 gigahertz and it collapses to just 2 micrometers. Same wire, completely different behavior. This matters for PCB traces, coaxial cables, transformer windings, and antenna design, anywhere high-frequency current flows. The calculator is completely free, no sign-up required. Link is below. Plug in your numbers and design with confidence. Word count 43.